We divide 164 by 5 in a long division method. So 5 times 3 is 15. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we put down this 4 and it is 14. 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting, we get 4. So now there is no other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 40 and 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting, we get 0. So 164 divided by 5 is 32.8. So this much for today and thanks for watching.